Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. How are you all? Hope you all fit and fine. This is Esmay Azam East, a student of Department of Chemistry, Begum Rokeya University, Rangpur. And my ID is 19130028. My presentation topics is nomenclature of organic compound. So let's start. The 5 things are very important for naming of organic compound. There are secondary prefix, primary prefix, word root, secondary suffix and primary suffix. Now we will discuss the word root. We can see on the slide the word root table. If the organic compound contains the number of carbon atom 1, the word root is meth, and continuously the number of carbon atom 2, it's called eth, number of carbon atom 3, it's called prop, 4 but, 5 pent, 6 hex, 7 hep, 8 oct, 9 non, 10 dec. Now we learn about primary suffix. It indicates the nature of the carbon atom chain selected. If the compound contains carbon-carbon single bond between carbon atom, its primary suffix is N, and presence of double bond between carbon atom, its primary suffix is in, and presence of triple bond between carbon atom, its primary suffix is ein. But what if both double bond and triple bond are present between carbon atom? Now we can see an example. Here carbon double bond and triple bond both are present. What is the name of this compound? In this case, both in and ein are written, but ins come before ein. That's why this compound name is hex 1 in 5 ein. Now we can learn about secondary suffix. This is the word that define the functional group or family of organic compound. For example, carboxylic acid, COOH, its secondary suffix is oic, and alcohol OH, its secondary suffix is ol. Now we can see an example. There is a compound which contains 3 carbon atom. That's why its word root is prop, and here carbon-carbon single bond between carbon atom. That's why its primary suffix n, and secondary suffix ol. That's why its name propanol. Now we can see the primary prefix. What is the primary prefix? It is the word which helps distinguish between cyclic and acyclic organic compound. Normally 5 carbon contained alkane are called pentane, but it cyclic in nature, it's called cyclopentane. Now we will discuss secondary prefix. They are regarded as substituent. For example, fluorine's secondary prefix fluoro, and chlorine secondary prefix chloro, bromine's secondary prefix bromo. Now we can see an example. Here word root BRUR, primary suffix n, and secondary suffix all, and secondary prefix chloro. That's why its name 3-chloro-butan 1-ol. Now we can learn about longest chain rule. The determine longest continuous chain of the carbon atom, because the base name are correspondent to longest chain of carbon atom. Here there is an example. Here alkyl group and longest chain. Now we will discuss lowest set of Loken rule. Number the chain so to give as the lowest number as possible. Functional group, double bond, triple bond, and substituent. We will call it FDTS rule. Now we can see an example. Here are two sets are possible. Which one is correct? The set one is here. The set one is correct because functional group and double bond are nearest. That's all about my presentation. Thank you.